Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to start sum number 4 of exercise 2.1. Here they have given rewrite the following frequency distribution by stating class length and mid value of each class. Here given frequency distribution is inclusive type. Here the difference between the upper limit of each class and the lower limit of succeeding class is 1. We have to find out class length and mid value of each class. Formula for class length is upper class boundary point minus lower class boundary point. Then formula of mid value is lower boundary point plus upper boundary point divided by 2. Here inclusive type of frequency distributions are there. Then we have put classes 0 to 99, 100 to 299, 300 to 499, 500 to 749. Here students please correct 749, 750 to 899, 900 to 99. Frequency we will put as it is. We have to find out mid value. Formula for mid value is lower boundary point plus upper boundary point divided by 2. So lower boundary point 0 plus 99 divided by 2, we will get 49.5. 100 plus 299 divided by 2, we will get 199.5. 300 plus 499, we will get divided by 2, we will get 399.5. 500 plus 749 divided by 2, we will get 624.5. 750 plus 899 divided by 2, we will get 824.5. 900 plus 999 divided by 2, we will get 949.5. Now, to find class length, we will count up to 0 to 99. 0 to 99 class length would be 100. 100 to 299 class length would be 200. 300 to 499 class length would be 200. 500 to 749 class length 250. 750 to 899 class length would be 150. 900 to 999 class length would be 100. Sum number 5. From the following frequency distribution, obtain less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distributions. Here number of errors per page given 0 errors means no error. Pages 140. 1 error pages 110. 2 error pages 120. 3 errors pages 30. We have to make less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Less than type of cumulative frequency distribution, we have already written here 0, 1, 2, 3 number of errors. Now we have to make cumulative frequency. Number of errors 0, or equal to 0, errors are 140. We will write down here 140. Then number of errors less than 1 or equal to 1. So we will add here 140 plus 110, and we will write down here 250. Then for numbers of errors less than or equal to 2, we will add 140 plus 110 plus 120. We will write down here 370. Then for number of errors less than 3 or equal to 3, we will add 30. Then we will write down here 40. So here in cumulative frequency, we will keep adding frequency for next class. 140 plus we have added 110 here, then we have added 120 here, then we have added 30 here. For more than type of cumulative frequency distribution, number of errors more than 0 or equal to 0, more than 0 or equal to 0, so 140 plus 110 plus 120 plus 30 equal to 400. There are all pages which are more than or equal to 0. Now, number of errors more than or equal to 1. 100 plus 120 plus 30 equal to 260, equal to 260. Then number of errors more than or equal to 2. 120 plus 30 equal to 150. Then number of errors more than or equal to 3 is only 30. We have written here number of errors more than or equal to 2 is 150, and number of errors more than or equal to 3 is 30. Question number 6. Obtain an inclusive continuous frequency distribution from the following data. Lower boundary point or more than that: 44.5, 49.5, 54.5, 59.5, 64.5, 69.5, 74.5 and 79.5. There are equal distance between each boundary point. Now cumulative frequency they have given 500, 470, 390, 290, 240, 90, 10 and 0. Given data is more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Here we have to find out class length. Class length is equal 5, or for finding class length we will find out difference between the adjoining lower boundary points. 49.5 minus 44.5 we will get 5. 54.5 minus 49.5 we will get 5. For finding initial class, we will add class length in lower boundary point. By this way, we get initial class 44.5 to 49.5. Forget 44.5 lower boundary point and this is upper boundary point. Now, for inclusive continuous frequency distribution, lower limit of initial class 44.5, we will add here 0.5, then we will get 45, then we will get 45. Now we will subtract 0.5 to upper limit of initial class. Upper limit of initial class is 49.5. We will subtract 0.5, then we will get 49. So our class is 45 to 49. Same we will do here. In next class we will, for 49.5 we will add 0.5, then we will get here 54.5, we will deduct from that 0.5, we will get 54. So here we will get 52, 54, then again in next class 54.5 we will add 0.5, then we will get 55, then in 59.5 we will subtract 0.5, we will get 59. We will make according to this 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79. Here we have to write down frequency. So for the class of 44.5, 500 cumulative is given. So we will find out for class of 44.5, 500 minus 470, we will get 30. Same here for the class of 490.5, we will deduct 390 from 470, we will get 80. We will get 80. Same as here for the class of 50 to 59, here 54.5, we will deduct 290 from 390, we will get here 100. Same for next class, we will deduct 240 from 290, we will get here 50. Same as here, we will deduct 90 from 240, we will get here 150. Then we will deduct 10 from 90, we will get here 80. Then we deduct 0 from 10, we will get here 10. You written according to this 150, 80, 10, total 500. Here we have completed sum number 6. In next session we will start sum number 7. Till then, keep reading, be safe, be happy. Thank you.